Step back in time with this 1931 Ford Tudor sedan, a true piece of automotive history. Featuring its original four-cylinder engine and manual transmission, this classic starts, runs, and even yard drives. Though it requires attention and restoration, its clean Minnesota title and matching motor make it a great candidate for a rat rod or a vintage revival. With only a single mile on the odometer and a timeless black paint job, this project car is waiting for someone with the passion and vision to bring it back to life. If you're looking for a rare gem with potential, this Ford could be the perfect addition to your collection. Check the description for more details and let history roll into your garage. Introducing a classic piece of automotive history, the 1929 Ford model, a leatherback hot rod highboy. Priced at $7,000 and located in Dundee, Oregon, this vehicle presents a rare opportunity for enthusiasts. With only 5,000 miles on the odometer, it's in good condition, featuring a four-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The leatherback design adds a touch of elegance to its robust frame. Whether you're looking to restore a piece of history or add to your collection, this Model A offers potential and charm. For more details and photos, visit the link in the description. This 1933 Chevrolet Sedan offers a unique opportunity for classic car enthusiasts. Priced at $7,500, it features the original motor and interior, providing a perfect base for restoration. Although it hasn't been started in approximately 8 years, the motor ran when it was parked, and the vehicle has been kept under cover, preserving its condition. With 95,000 miles on the odometer, a clean title, and a manual transmission, this car offers the potential for a rewarding restoration project. Last major rehabilitation was completed in the 1980s, giving it historical significance and vintage charm. If you're looking for a classic with history and restoration potential, this 1933 Chevrolet Sedan might be the one. For more details, check the link in the description. This 1936 Pontiac is a fantastic find for classic car enthusiasts. Priced at $8,000, this car offers an opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Located in Roswell, Georgia, it features a V8 350 engine, automatic transmission, and a rebuilt title. The odometer reads just 1,000 miles, ensuring it's in good condition. The brown paint adds to its vintage charm, while the car runs well, making it a perfect project for restoration. Whether you're a collector or someone looking to breathe new life into a classic, this Pontiac is a great option. Don't miss out on this classic gem. Check out the link in the description for more details. Are you looking for a classic car that brings timeless charm and historical value? Here's a rare find, a 1930 Model A Ford. This is a solid opportunity for collectors or anyone passionate about vintage cars. You have two options available, a sedan and a coupe, each priced at $8,000. Powered by a four-cylinder engine with a 3-speed transmission, it has 1,234 miles on the odometer and a clean title. This car is in excellent condition and has a lot of restoration potential, making it a must-have for any enthusiast. Located in Glasgow, Kentucky, this Model A Ford is not just a car, it's a piece of history waiting to be cherished. For more details and images, please visit the link in the description. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Presenting a remarkable 1926 Ford Model T Roadster Coupe, offered at $6,999 in San Luis Obispo, California. This classic car features a four-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, and an odometer reading of 111,142 miles. It's in good condition with a clean title and runs on gasoline. The transmission is listed as other, maintaining its vintage charm. The car has been lovingly stored in a garage for over 20 years, retaining its original aspects and excellent mechanical function. Its unique history includes ownership by a service station operator from the 1940s to 1960, making it a rare find with authentic provenance. Whether you're looking for a restoration project or a piece to add to your collection, this Model T Roadster Coupe offers significant historical value and driving enjoyment. For more details and a closer look at this timeless beauty, check out the link in the description below. Step back in time with this incredible 1929 Ford Rat Rod, a true classic with a modern twist. Priced at $9,550 and located in Rio Linda, California, this car is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece that combines vintage charm with powerful performance. Under the hood lies a 1967 Chevrolet Corvette 327 V8 engine, mated to a 1985 Chevrolet 350 transmission, delivering a thrilling driving experience. The car features a 1929 Ford frame, a 1925 Dodge C-Cab body, and a 1935 Ford bed, making it a true labor of love. With only 2,500 miles on the odometer, this Rat Rod is in excellent condition, boasting a clean title and automatic transmission. The car is equipped with a brand new Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor and a new aluminum radiator, ensuring top-notch performance. This unique vehicle offers endless possibilities for customization and restoration, making it a fantastic investment for any car enthusiast. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. Visit the link in the description to learn more and see this stunning 1929 Ford Rat Rod for yourself. Discover a piece of automotive history with this 1929 Ford two-door sedan, now available in Lake Havasu, Arizona. This classic car features a rebuilt 4-cylinder engine from 25 years ago, offering a unique restoration opportunity, though it is currently not running. Boasting a manual transmission and clean title, the odometer reads just 569 miles, and its striking yellow paint lends charm. With its historical value and restoration potential, this vehicle is perfect for enthusiasts and collectors. Visit the description link to learn more. Today we're taking a look at a 1938 GMC flatbed truck, listed at just $600 located in Hemet, California. This classic ride features a 6-cylinder engine and a manual transmission, keeping things authentic with rear-wheel drive. With an odometer reading of 999,988 miles, it's clear this truck has seen plenty of road, and its fair condition presents a great opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. The custom paint adds a unique touch, but note the title status is missing, which could affect registration. This vehicle has complete running gear and some salvageable body parts, making it ideal for restoration or parts. For those passionate about vintage vehicles, this GMC offers a slice of history just waiting to be revived. Check out the full details in the link in the description below. Introducing a rare opportunity to own a 1933 Ford truck, a true classic from the pre-war era. This project vehicle is priced at $3,500 and is located in Hammett, Idaho. It comes with a clean title and is ideal for enthusiasts looking to restore or customize a vintage pickup. The truck is in fair condition and is sold as is, with no motor or transmission included. However, it retains the original grille and motor cover, providing a solid foundation for a restoration project. The truck's green paint adds to its vintage charm, and its rear-wheel drive configuration offers a classic driving experience. With an odometer reading of 123,456 miles, This Ford truck has a rich history and potential for a unique restoration. Whether you're aiming to build a rat rod, roadster, or a custom classic, this 1933 Ford truck is a canvas waiting for your vision. For more details and to view the listing, please refer to the link in the description. Introducing a classic gem from 1931, the Ford Model A, a true testament to early American automotive engineering. This particular model is listed at $3,750 and is located in Pearland, Texas. It's a rare find for enthusiasts and collectors alike. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission, delivering that authentic driving experience. With an odometer reading of 69,000 miles, this vehicle has been well preserved. The black exterior paint adds to its vintage charm, though it's noted that the title status is currently missing. The seller describes this Model A as complete and running. Recent upgrades include a rebuilt starter, radiator, carburetor, and distributor. The fuel tank is in good condition, and it comes equipped with 5 Firestone gum-dip tires, each with 0 miles. Additionally, new running boards and front floorboards have been installed, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Up for grabs is a head-turning 1930 Ford Model A Coupe hot rod project, oozing with vintage charm and customization potential. Priced at $9,000 in North Las Vegas, Nevada, this classic boasts a solid foundation with a clean title and good overall condition. The body features custom paint, reinforced subfloors, new cross rails, and retrofitted wheel wells, while the interior includes a reproduction coupe seat and springs. Underneath lies a boxed hot rod frame prepped for a 350 V8 engine paired with a 350 transmission, plus modern upgrades like a 4-bar suspension, coilovers, and underfloor master cylinder. With 100,000 miles on the odometer, this gas-powered RWD gem balances historical authenticity with hot rod readiness. Restoration enthusiasts will appreciate included extras like a louvered trunk skin, 32-style grille, and aluminum fuel tank. Whether you're drawn to its pre-war legacy or its blank canvas customization options, this Model A is a rare opportunity to own a slice of automotive history. Ready to transform this classic into a showstopper? Explore full details and images by visiting the listing linked in the description below. Your dream hot rod awaits. A rare find for classic car enthusiasts, the 1929 Chevy AC International is a true restoration gem. Priced at $4,500, this project car is waiting for the right hands to bring it back to life. Located in Squamish, BC, this coupe is salvage condition but remarkably rust-free, having been stored safely in a garage. With only 1,000 miles on the odometer, it runs on gas, though its title status is missing. Whether you're looking for a historical restoration or a unique custom build, this car holds immense potential. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of automotive history. Check out the description for more details. Step back in time with this 1925 Ford Model T, a true classic that captures the essence of early 20th century automotive design. Priced at $5,995, this Model T is located in Goldendale, Washington, offering a unique opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts alike. This vehicle is in good condition, featuring a manual transmission and a clean title. While the odometer reading is not specified, the car's overall condition suggests it has been well maintained. The black paint color adds to its vintage appeal, embodying the timeless elegance of the era. Notably, the car requires an upholstery kit, which presents an excellent opportunity for restoration enthusiasts to personalize the interior to their liking. Additionally, many parts are available, making it easier to maintain or restore the vehicle to its original glory. The Model T holds a special place in automotive history, known for its innovative design and mass production techniques that revolutionize the industry. Owning one is not just about possessing a car, it's about owning a piece of history. For more information and to explore this classic car further, visit the provided link in the description. Don't miss out on the chance to own a piece of automotive history with this 1925 Ford Model T. Discover this rare 1930 Graham Paige sedan, available now for just $6,200. Located in Hayden, Idaho, this classic car features a 6-cylinder flathead engine, a manual transmission, and a minimal odometer reading of 9 miles. Condition is fair, and it boasts a vintage blue paint job with a clean title. Perfect for restoration enthusiasts or vintage car collectors, this vehicle offers endless possibilities as a hot rod or rat rod project. Whether you're a seasoned restorer or a history buff, this vintage tin car is a true piece of automotive history waiting for your touch. Don't miss the chance to own a piece of the past. Visit the link in the description for more details and images. This 1932 Buick 4-door is a promising restoration project located near Dallas, Texas. Priced at $9,000, it offers a solid foundation for enthusiasts seeking a classic vehicle. The car features a 1941 single carburetor engine and a manual transmission, though the original transmission is currently out of the vehicle. The body is in excellent condition with all glass intact, and the original interior remains preserved. Included in the sale are the front end lights, radiator, and hood, providing essential components for restoration. This Buick's appeal lies in its potential for restoration or conversion into a hot rod or street rod. Its classic design and solid structure make it a valuable project for classic car enthusiasts. For more details and to view the vehicle, please visit the provided link in the description.